The integration with ezeep allows feasible printer access, tracking and billing. Before you get started, there are a couple of prerequisites. First, you need an ezeep subscription. If you do not have one, start a trial by going to www.ezeep.com and click on Get Started. Also, you must have an Archie subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable ezeep integration. Go ahead and log in to your Archie dashboard. Click on Settings, Integrations, App Marketplace. There are two integration options for ezeep. Make sure you select ezeep. Locate the ezeep app and click View Integration. Click Connect ezeep account. Enter your ezeep credentials and click Sign In. You will be redirected to the Archie dashboard. The integration is ready. In Step 2, set up Archie. Once you are back in the Archie dashboard, you will configure the print prices and assign it to the printer. Go to Settings, Integrations, App Marketplace. Locate the ezeep app and click View Integration. Go to the Configuration tab. Click the Edit button. Click Add Customization. Select the entity that you would like to configure. Click Confirm. Click Add Set of Prices. Add the information desired and click Confirm. If you want to assign a printer, click on Add Printer and select the desired printer. Once you are done, click on Finish. And as the last step, please invite the members that need to print to your ezeep account. Step 3. Enable Archie account with ezeep. To do this, go to the member account desired. Under General, click the Printing tab. Click Create ezeep printing account. Click Confirm. The integration is ready. The member will receive an ezeep invite via email. They will just need to accept the invite and create an ezeep login. Thank you for watching and happy printing!